How high can fetchai go in the 2025 bull market? In this video I will talk about fetch and share my price prediction for the long term and also for the short term. Before we go into the content, be sure to join my free Telegram group. You will find there daily free updates on coins like Bitcoin, Fetch or all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. fetchai is right now on place 54 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $1.7 billion. The coin has existed since 2019 and we saw the all-time high back in 2024. fetchai is one of the biggest AI crypto coins in the whole space. Fetch is a very interesting project with a very high potential, and if we have a look at the circulating supply, you can see that most of the coins are already unlocked, especially as you can see for the founders team and the foundation. You can see that every coin is also unlocked and that we just have to unlock some coins back in 2024, 25 and the last coins in 2026. But again, most of the coins are in supply, which is a very bullish sign. And if you want to trade or buy Fetch, you can do this on Bitunix. Bitunix is a non-KYC, no VPN trading platform. And if you're using my link, you get up to $5,500 trading bonus. You'll find the link for Bitunix in the description. And if we have a look at the weekly chart, you can see that we had this last all-time high right here back in 2021. We then came back again into this demand zone, which was the start of this bullish push before 2021. And then in 2024, we saw this breakout out of this last all-time high. And again, most coins are also right now in this space right here before the last all-time high. But Fetch already broke through this last all-time high and we saw massive new all-time highs. We now have a new all-time high about $3.50. And after this all-time high, we saw this massive retracement to the downside again. We are now at $2. And for the long term, I'm very bullish on this project because on the one side, we have this market cap of $1.6 billion. So we have a lot of potential still to the upside and we saw this massive bullish interest. And I think the potential that fetchai could be in blue chip cryptocurrency is very high. And again, if we have a look at the total crypto market cap of the AI altcoins, we have a market cap of $35 billion. And I think a market cap around $200 to $500 billion is very realistic for this bull run. So I think that the whole AI cryptos will outperform this bull market. So I think a price target of minimum $20 is very realistic for the cycle. And for a very optimistic, very bullish price target, we would have a price target of nearly $40 to $50. From the prices right now to $20, we would have a potential over 900%. And from the prices right now to a potential of $50, we would have a potential over 2,400%. And I think this would be a massive deal for a big cryptocurrency like Fetch. Of course, guys, this is just the orientation from the prices right now. But as I said, I see a lot of potential in the AI space and especially Fetch. And if the bull run really starts, I think these potentials are very high. So we look for potential price targets for the top of 2025 in the bull run. And right now we are looking for a short-term opportunity to get into potential long trades. And if you want to copy my leverage short-term trades and my crypto spot buys, then join my premium signal group. I will share all my private trades and, as I said, my crypto spot buys and my secrets to grow a small trading account to a large trading account. It's the second link in the description. And if you now have a look at the daily chart, you can see that we are clearly in a bullish trend. We lately saw this massive bullish power. Here was the last all-time high at $1.20. And now after this new all-time high, we saw this rejection again into this demand zone right here. We are right now testing this demand zone for the now third time, and now the chance is there that we could see a bullish move out of the zone, but we have to break this last highs. If we're breaking this highs to the upside, then I think the chance is high that we can continue the bullish momentum. But if we see a move to lower levels again, then I think the next really interesting price area is this demand zone right here. Because this demand zone was the start of this massive bullish push. And if Fetch comes back into this zone, and if we then see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then the chance is extremely high that we could see a massive breakout out of this zone. So it really depends now if Bitcoin is now going to the upside again or if we're seeing lower prices. But if we now see a bullish reaction on this time frame, then I think right now is a great chance to get into Fetch. And to calculate the next potential price targets, we are using the Fibonacci tool. And I think these are the next very interesting potential price targets. If we have a look at the 1.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $4.63. And if we have a look at the 2.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $6.51. So if we are now seeing a bullish reaction, then I think the chance is high that we could reach this next potential high. And if we are on the way also finding acceptance again and seeing even higher prices, then I think this is the next potential interesting price target. So all in all, guys, I'm really bullish on Fetch. I think a potential price target of $20 to $50 is very realistic for this bull run. and it really depends if we are seeing higher prices. And of course, we are in the AI sector, and I think the chances high that we could see massive explosions. And for the short term, we are right now retracing, and as long as we are seeing a bullish price action and breakout, then the chances high that we could continue the bullish trend on the overall time frame. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.